Operant Pharmacy Federation, powered by researchers for emerging innovations.
Hi, I'm Meeni Shiv, Director Content and Creativity of Operant Pharmacy Federation. If you're looking for publishing periodicals or journals related to the pharmaceutical research, or if you're seeking to bring together pharmaceutical researchers on a single platform to discuss various issues related to the pharmaceutical industry, then OPF is the right place for you. Operant Pharmacy Federation, or OPF, is the international professional body of pharmacists engaged in various facets of the profession of pharmacy. OPF is committed to promote the highest professional and ethical standards of society, establish the image of pharmacists as competent healthcare professionals, sensitize the community, government, and others on various professional issues, and support the education in all aspects. We are both research-based and community-based. We are an online-based scientific multidisciplinary community in the pharmaceutical sciences, biomedical, drug discovery, and life sciences fields. We deal with publishing research papers, theses, dissertations, abstracts, reports, monographs, case studies, and others on a regular basis. You can also get information about the various opportunities available within the pharmaceutical industry by gaining insights from the pharmacists who represent a plethora of practice settings. We also provide our members with extensive scholarships and awards program content, recognizing members for involvement in the Federation, for leadership, academic success, and grassroots. Other than that, we advise to make the best use of the education opportunities that are specifically designed to enhance the knowledge by keeping it updated with the latest information and path of innovation. Other objectives with regards to information efficiency, research, and publish includes provision of information related to job openings and fellowships for pharmacy researchers, to spread the familiarity with the pharmacy profession and training and research in the general public by organizing different camps, seminars, conferences, meetings, courses, workshops, and so on, to make the research papers accessible to the individuals over the web, and to distribute the magazines and periodicals identified with community pharmacy, pharmacy education, research, and health sciences. So why should you choose OPF? OPF offers participation in workshops. We are highly indulged in participating in different workshops, seminars, and conferences. Also, we motivate our members too in participating in such programs to enhance the skill sets. We also provide a number of membership benefits. After joining OPF, you can avail a wide range of membership benefits at cost-effective rates. Enroll today and get access to the genuine and quality-based journals. Further, we are also involved in specialized research studies. We at OPF are always ready to embrace and get involved in the logical and specialized research activities, along with investigations and trial on various fields of pharmaceutical and other allied sciences. Then, we also give and offer career options. OPF is always ready to help its members in choosing the best career options in the pharma and biomedical industry. You can get all genuine information related to the job openings and fellowships in the same. Our aim is to get connected with millions of readers, and our conferences bring together internationally renowned speakers and scientists to create exciting and memorable memories filled with live interactions, world-class exhibitions, and poster presentations.